Good morning, boys. Good morning, everyone. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today we will speak about measuring tools in the chemistry. And in this lesson, we know the importance of tools in the chemistry lab and the uses of this tool in the chemistry. And first, why the chemical experiment are performed in the chemistry? Any chemical experiment carried out in lab because in the lab we found the safe application, source of water, source of heat, cover and shelves to store filter. So any chemical application must carried out in the lab, not in class. What are the tools which we use in chemical lab? Well, the various tools used in chemical lab like sensitive balance, beakers, the cylinder, plus periodic pivot measurement tool of the pH value. In this session, we explain the uses of these tools. As a first, the sensitive balance. All of us know the sensitive balance used to measure the mass of substance. Any balance used to measure the mass of substance. The sensitive balance used to measure the mass of substance accurately and used to measure the small masses because small masses measured by gram, milligram. So to measure the small masses, we use sensitive balance. Again, sensitive balance we use to measure the very small, the mass of very small substance accurately. Number two, beakers. As a first, we must know beaker. We must know the beakers made up of vials. Oil. The vial is characterized by resist heat, resist high temperature. So if we boil water, if you boil solution in this tools, it doesn't affect by temperature. So doesn't doesn't affect by temperature or by heat because it made up of vials and the property of vials resist heat. The beaker, the beaker or beakers have different capacity. Some of them graduated like this, graduated from bottom to up, from down to up. Most of tools which used in lab graduated from down to up. What are the uses of beaker? Beaker used to mix the liquid and solution. If we want to mix liquid, if we want to mix solution, we use beaker. So beaker used in mixing the liquid and solution. Number two, from the use of beaker, transferring known volume of liquid. Transferring known volume of liquid. But the volume of liquid in this beaker, the volume of liquid in beakers, not accurate, but approximately. Not accurate, but approximately 500, maybe more than 500, less than 500. But the tool which used to measure the volume of substance accurately, graduated cylinder, graduated cylinder. Number three, graduated cylinder. Number three, graduate cylinder. Graduate cylinder made of glass or plastic. Glass or plastic. The graduate cylinder with different capacity, usually graduated from down to up, down to up. What are uses of graduated cylinder? Graduated cylinder used in measuring the volume of liquid accurately, not approximately like beaker, but graduated cylinder used to measure the volume of liquid uh, accurately. Very good. Number two, used to measure the volume of irregular insoluble solid substance. Irregular insoluble substance like like if we want to measure the volume of K, we calculate the density of it. If we want to calculate the density of the scale, we must know the mass and volume. The mass known by measure the mass or by using the sensitive balance or balance. But the volume of K is a regular solid substance. Number one, we we bring the cylinder with known volume of water like 100 or 50, 50 milliliter per milliliter, and put the K in it. We know that the water raised up. So the amount of water which raised up in the gas cylinder is the volume of K. So if we want to measure the volume of a regular substance, at the first we calculate the volume of liquid before putting the K or the thing which we want to measure the volume of it in the cylinder with known volume, and we calculate the difference between the new volume and the old volume V2 minus V1, like this. How can you determine the volume of solid body which doesn't dissolve in water by the cylinder? A stable amount of water is placed in the cylinder, and its volume determines V1. The solid body placed in that amount of water carefully inside the cylinder, and the result of volume is determined V2. So the volume of the body, the difference between the resulting volume and the volume of water allowed. If we measure, if we want to measure the volume of substance or the volume of liquid, the correct method to estimate the volume of liquid, the eye must be perpendicular to the surface of water and reach the bottom, the curve from the bottom, like this, not this or this. Number four, flask. Also flask made up of Pyrex, as we explained before, because it resists heat. So they don't break with heating or by the effect of heat of the chemical reaction. There are three types of flask with different capacity: conical flask, round bottom flask, volumetric flask, and each one of them used in determining special things. Number one, conical flask. Conical flask used in filtration. Filtration briefly is a method used to determine the concentration of solution, by using another solution with definite concentration. Again, if you want, what's meant by filtration? Filtration definitely is a process that We have two solutions. One of them with known concentration and volume, and the other is known with unknown concentration. We calculate the concentration of the solution, which unknown concentration, by using the other solution. So conical flask with inversion. Um, Number two, round bottom flask. It has rounded base, like this, round base. Used in chemical preparation and distillation. Used in chemical preparation and distillation. Distillation means separation of substance from each other. This means of distillation. Number three, volumetric flask. Volumetric flask, if we use that, the volume capacity mark like this, with mark on its neck to determine the volumetric capacity, used to prepare solution with very economic known concentration. Purity. Number five, purity. Oh, we must make exception for purity. Purity represented long glass tube, long glass tube with two openings, upper opening and lower opening. Again, it's long glass tube with two openings, upper opening and lower opening, upper opening and lower opening. The upper opening used to fill the biotic solution, and as the lower opening valve used to control the amount or the volume of water, the volume of water which add to heat, sorry, plasma. In the biotic, the zero graduation mark close to upper. Oh, most of tool which we study it or explain it, they graduated from lower to upper, but in urine, but in the urine, the graduation from upper to lower. The urine fixed on holder with metallic keys like this. Is the urine fixed on holder with metallic or fixed on holder with metallic keys to keep its vertical column or vertical shape during vibration, because if the unit is not vertical, it gives wrong heating for the volume which used in the vibration process. Buried with conical flask used in vibration. Number six, pivot like this. Pivot, graduated pivot. Pivot with sucking the tool like this. Pivot with one bar. So there are different types of pivot. Pivot long glass tube opened from two sides, recorded on it the volume capacity and the error velocity. The use of Burette used to accurately measure and transfer certain volume of solution, especially the dangerous substance or solution like H2SO4. Number seven, measuring the truth of pH. pH, what's meant by pH? pH means that negative log of base 10 of the concentration of hydrogen. Again, pH means that negative log of base 10 of concentration H positive. Oh, pH. What? is or what are use of pH. pH used to measure the acidity, basicity, or neutral in solution, acid, base, or neutral. Oh, so pH used to determine the solution, acid, base, or neutral. Yes, and used to know the endpoint of substance. pH measured by two tools. The first pH paper, like this. This paper, at the end of it, yellow part. If this part change into green, this means that the solution is neutral. Oh, dark red. If it give dark red, so it's acidity and it's acid high. It's acidity high. But it doesn't give accurate reading. It doesn't give. If like this, if the bottom part change into green, green maybe 7, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, so the reading is not accurate. But by using the pH meter, it's more accurate digital apparatus when it's immersed in the solution like this. It give accurate reading. The digital pH meter more accurate than pH paper in determining pH value of different solution, and so on. So we explained the first chapter. Thank you very much, and I hope to understand this part of the lesson. Inshallah, we will complete the unit 1, chapter 2 in the next session. Thank you very much. Goodbye and good luck.